Good morning, students. Let us start with our sixth geography chapter, major crops and agricultural development. It's second part of the chapter. In previous part, we have talked about major crops, and now in this part we are going to talk about the agricultural development, and we will compare the farm of India and also a farm of USA. Agricultural development. Today, most of the countries of the world are making sincere efforts to increase the agricultural production because we have to satisfy the needs of the increasing population. And this aim of getting more production from the fields can be achieved by increasing land under cultivation and growing more than one crop in a year, improving irrigation facilities, and using high yielding variety seeds, using organic and chemical fertilizers. But if we have studied about the farms of India, and even we will be studying about the farms of USA in this part. Let us start with the first topic. A farm in India. We all know, students, that about 75% of India's population lives in village, and they directly or indirectly depends on agriculture. But agriculture or growing crop does not provide food for humans, they also provide the raw material for agro-based industry. In this beta, we have taken a farm from Ganga plain where there is a level land and it is fertile also. Let us talk about some main feature of agriculture in this field. The main features of the agriculture done in India. Number one, subsistence agriculture is mostly practiced. That means whatever farmer produce, it is consumed by his family. Very little surplus production होता है उनके यहाँ जो वो बाजार में बेच सकें. Land holdings are small due to inheritance law because in India अभी कुछ समय पहले ही ये लॉ चेंज हुआ है. नहीं तो इंडिया में जो हेरिटेंस लॉ है वो ये है कि उसके उन फादर की जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी है बच्चों में बराबर बढ़ जाती है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे फील्ड्स बहुत छोटे छोटे हो गए हैं. नेक्स्ट, कल्चर डिपेंड्स लार्जली ऑन द मॉनसून रेन बिकॉज इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत नेग्लिजिबल हैं. अब बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो चुका है लेकिन फिर भी कमी है अभी. And most of the farm work is done by animals and the members of the farmer's family. The production of food crop is the main priority in India. And जो crop fodder crop होती है, जानवरों के लिए चारा होता है, वो तो बिल्कुल ना के बराबर है. Let us talk about the problems faced by farmer in India. Number one, he cannot buy enough agricultural inputs due to fund shortage. And next thing, he has to borrow money from moneylenders and bank. He has to sell his produce immediately after harvest because there is no facility of storage. Come to the next point. He has to depend upon various cooperative societies to meet his needs. Green Revolution. It was the revolution to change the agricultural pattern, or we can also say to increase the agricultural produce. In that different ways were opted, and they were introduced HYV seeds, ensured enough and timely availability of water through irrigation, adequate use of chemical fertilizers, use of pesticides and insecticides, consolidation of land holdings, farm mechanization, and provision of agricultural credit on soft terms. Agricultural universities were set up to train the farmers, and these all things helped in enhancing the production and also to improve the general social and economic conditions of the farmer and their families. A farm in USA. We all know that USA is a prosperous country and it is blessed with a vast fertile plains and grasslands. We are talking about prairies and bitter prairies are in USA. They stretches from Rocky Mountain in the west to the Great Lakes in the east. Prairies are located in the interior of the continent. That is why the place experiences continental type of climate. But we have taken the farm in the Midwest region of the prairies grassland for study. We will be talking about the natural environmental condition. But here, natural environmental condition favors the cultivation of variety of crops such as wheat, corn, oat, barley, rye and oilseed. And this region enjoys some following advantages. Let us talk about the advantages. This area is having rolling plain, well drained and suitable for extensive mechanized farming. Melting of snow provides moisture to the soil. It is having dark brown soil which is full of humus and organic matter. Not only this, the spring season is not cold and summer season are not very hot. And the transcontinental railway connects the region to the consumer centers and the port towns. But due to large size of the farm, almost all the work is done by the machine, which is known as combine harvester. Let us talk about some characteristics of the farm which we have selected in the prairies. Here the size of farm is very big. It is about 1,000 hectares, and the farm is owned by and managed by the farmer and his family only. Most of the work is done by machines, so labor is not needed or not employed. Crop rotation is practiced to retain the fertility of the soil. Contour plowing and strip cropping are also practiced. Livestock is raised to supplement the farm income. The farmer and his family lives on the farm in a big house. There are separate sheds to keep livestock, fodder and machines. There is a small workshop on the field itself. The yield per hectare is moderate, but when we talk about per labor, it is very high. And farmer earns enough to maintain the high standard of life. This is what the difference in the farmer of India and the farmer of USA. That's all in the chapter. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.